DVD? Mommy said no DVD. We're just driving home. It's like 10 minutes away.
Mermaid.
You want to watch Mermaids?
Yeah.
David, we're just driving home. No.
I want to watch a video on Mermaid at home.
We can talk about it when we get home. Oh, so sad.
Mommy.
Yes. You want a hug? Hug will cure it all, hopefully. Let's see. Oh, baby. Of course. It's better. Yay! I've had them back for like 5 minutes from daycare.
And are you ready? You may begin. Go.
Sydney and I are here. David is sleeping already. So last night we had a fall social.
Yeah, and today we had 2 birthdays. That's right.
And today we had 2 birthday parties, so he is very tired. Birthday parties were actually really cool. The first one was a JoJo themed birthday party. They did bows, they ran around, played. There was a candy bar, and then we went to little brother's friend's birthday party. That was dinosaur themed, and what did you do? Yeah, so then we dug for fossils, right?
I like that. I found a lot.
Yeah, that was a super fun. So overall, just been busy. Like, I am so tired. And there's Anna. She's tired too. We're just tired. I think it's time for bed. What do you think, sis?
No.
No? Mommy's ready for bed. All right, well, let's go start. Pumpkin patch. You can start painting.
No, I'm ready for that.
Oh, okay. So we're using glitter paint to do our
this is what I'm doing.
pumpkins. Any idea what colors you're gonna do?
I got enough off.
Wait, what?
I got enough off. I'm going to use yellow.
Okay, you're gonna use yellow? Okay.
Go back. I'm gonna go back. I'll go make a monster. Now you're writing.
Why is it so hard to write on a pumpkin, Daddy?
It's because it's a pumpkin one. Yeah, it's a pumpkin. It's really hard to paint pumpkin. Mommy, we need to use that for the eyeballs out.
There you go.
And the mouth out.
There you go, David. It says crazy monster.
Look. So, I'm still painting, as you see. I'm still painting. The color I used so far is yellow. I haven't done any other color except for yellow.
She's just gonna make it all sparkly first.
I like
I'm trying to
it.
make it a little yellow. Mom,
It's beautiful.
I'm just trying to make it all.
Yes, yes. What?
Mine's better.
Yours is better?
I'm using all the colors and I'm doing them. No, look at mine. Mama, can you help me draw an overall?
An overall?
What should I
Daddy,
do?
they are pushing
A
me
little
here.
elaborate.
What? Like,
I'll try.
like overalls? Like that you would wear?
Yeah. I'm trying to draw a minion. I'm drawing a
We're
minion.
trying to make a minion. It's just like this, and then the bigger lines.
You can probably draw it
Yeah.
out in like a pencil or something first.
Yeah, will that work
Or
with
pen.
like all the paint on it?
I don't know.
This is
Like,
sorry.
just
This is
here.
sorry. I can't use yellow now.
Oh, there's paint on this.
Yeah.
Look at that masterpiece.
Try to make a minion.
Minion. Little man has already finished his work of art.
Look at my stem, Mama.
Ooh, beautiful. David got his all, yeah? Quite the pumpkin.
Mama draw the overalls, but I did the eye and the
You're right.
and I did the arms too.
Oh, okay.
I made little chicken arms. Minna, minna.
David, are you all done with yours?
Done. Then that will take a minute. You're just being rude, Rudy. David's being rude.
David, what are you doing?
David, are you done with your
Well,
pumpkin?
minions don't have glitter in it.
It's okay, David.
Mom, she does not have glitter on them at all.
She's doing her take on a minion. She's not. If she wanted it to be a minion, an exact minion, she just put a picture of a minion on there. The idea is to use art.
Yes. Mom, minions don't have glitter. We only have minions. Mommy, minions have glitter. Well, my pink is even cooler.
That was his
What did you
retort.
say? Cool?
Well, my pumpkin's even cooler.
2, 3, 4.
What are you doing? What do you have going on today at daycare, dude?
Halloween.
You're going trick or treating at daycare, huh? How amazing is this? Love it. Look at that dinosaur. Okay, go ahead, David, hurry up. How much it's rained today, look at that. Oh, kids. Go ahead, guys. It's Halloween. Can you see the boys behind me? So Halloween is over. My voice is just about gone. We didn't get rained on. It was amazing. We had such a good time. The kids trick-or-treated for a solid 45 minutes or so, which is the longest that we have ever been out. They got a ton of candy. And it's 8:53, both kids are asleep, and I'm gonna try to get some rest so I can work tomorrow. Halloween when you're sick is not nearly as much fun. So after Halloween, after we went out trick-or-treating and stuff later last night, we had a massive wind and rainstorm. So I didn't do a whole lot of outside decorations anyways, but look. The wind knocked down all my decorations. Like the rain soaked them and then knocked them over. How sad, my poor decorations. Knocked these over too. Look at that, sad, sad, sad. Knocked all of our leaves down though, it looks like fall at least. So Halloween week has been insanely busy, but tonight we have back to school night, which will be awesome. And now we're into November. Yay, Thanksgiving and Christmas are coming up. So like and comment below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.